Hello dear friends, welcome back. Today we are going to start a new topic, understand and apply referencing unit 4th spreadsheet tools. In the last video we already discussed about how to apply formula and functions in spreadsheet. If you didn't watch that video, click the I button to the top of the right corner, otherwise continue this video. Let's start. First topic, referencing. Referencing is the way to refer the formula or function from one cell to the next cell along the row or column. There are three types of referencing. First one, relative referencing, second, mixed referencing, and third, absolute referencing. Example of types of referencing. First one, references A1 is a relative reference, $A1 mixed reference, $1 also mixed reference, and $A1 absolute reference. First one, relative reference. When you drag any formula in any row or column in any direction, the formula gets copied in the new cell with the relative reference. Almost all spreadsheet applications use relative referencing by default. This is the activity for using relative reference. Here we used 5 columns and 7 rows. First column heading is serial number, second item name, price, quantity and total. Here in a cell E2, the formula equals to C2 into D2 has been used to calculate the total price of the pencil. In cell D7, the formula equals to sum bracket open D2 to D6 has been used to calculate total quantity of all items. Now drag formula from E2 to E6, E2 to E6 vertically and D7 to D8 horizontally. In figure 4.34, you can observe that the formula in cell E3 equals to C3 into D3, in cell E4 equals to C4 into D4, in cell E5 equals to C5 into D5, and in cell E6 equals to C6 into D6. The row numbers have got added from 1 while column names are constant. As you drag formula from cell D7 to D8, the formula gets changed to sum E2 to E6 from D2 to D6. The column names get changed while row number will remain same. Second one, referencing is mixed referencing. As we have seen, when we drag the formula, row number or column name get changed in relative reference. In mixed referencing, the $sign is used before row number or column name to make it constant. This is mixed referencing in which one cell address name is variable or one cell address is constant. Example, $B1 or $1. In a first example, column name is constant, and in a second one example, row number is constant. And third one, referencing is absolute referencing. In absolute referencing, a symbol is used before the column name as well as row number to make it constant in any formula. For example, $C, $12, $D, $5, etc. In this case, even if you drag your formula in any direction, the cell name remains constant. So dear friends, in this video you learn concept of referencing and also types of referencing. There are 3 types of referencing: relative referencing, mixed referencing and absolute referencing. In the next video, we will continue this unit and discuss a new topic, create and insert different types of chart in a spreadsheet. If this video is helpful for you, hit the like button. If you didn't subscribe this channel, please do it now, and also press the bell icon for the future update, and share this video to your friends and family members so this video can reach more students. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Bye bye.